Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the products that promise to transform your beauty routine. Have you ever struggled with hair that feels dry, weighed down, or just lacking that healthy glow? Today, we're talking about a product that claims to bring back your hair's natural radiance and bounce, the dalla Palma Tutto Tono Volume Conditioner. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. And before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a review. This Italian-made conditioner is designed to hydrate, repair, and add shine to your hair, all while giving it that light, voluminous feel. The formula promises to tackle everything from dryness to brittleness and even flatness, leaving you with healthy-looking locks that don't feel heavy or weighed down. But is it really as transformative as it sounds? When you first open the bottle, you're immediately greeted with a fresh, clean scent that's not overpowering. A nice touch, especially when you're looking to revitalize your hair without overwhelming your senses. The conditioner itself is creamy and smooth, which glides easily through the hair. The consistency feels rich but not too thick, a sign that it's hydrating without being too heavy. During testing, I used this conditioner both on clean, damp hair and on hair that had been styled and exposed to the elements throughout the day. It rinsed out easily, leaving my hair feeling soft yet light, something I always appreciate in a conditioner, as my hair tends to get weighed down easily. I noticed that my hair felt much smoother and softer right after rinsing, with no greasy residue or buildup. The real test, though, came the next day. I noticed that my hair maintained its smooth texture and shine, even after being exposed to humidity. In terms of performance, this conditioner definitely lived up to its promises. My hair felt moisturized and nourished, but it didn't lose volume, a real win for those of us with fine or flat hair. It left my hair looking glossy, but not in a heavy or sticky way. It was light and bouncy, just like the brand claims. I found that this conditioner worked best when used in combination with a lightweight shampoo, as the results were more noticeable when my hair wasn't already weighed down by other products. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the key benefit here is hydration without the weight. If you're someone with hair that tends to get heavy or flat with most conditioners, this one might be your new best friend. The high gloss shine is another standout feature. My hair looked healthy, soft, and shiny without looking greasy. And the fact that it's made by dalla Palma, an iconic Italian brand, really adds to its appeal. You're getting professional-grade quality with a touch of luxury. On the flip side, the cons are minimal but worth noting. The product might not be moisturizing enough for very dry or coarse hair. If you have hair that's extremely dry or needs intense moisture, you might need to pair this conditioner with a more hydrating mask or oil. Also, while the formula is lovely, the price point may feel a bit high for those on a tighter budget. Is this conditioner worth its price? I'd say yes, especially if you're looking for a luxurious, lightweight product that delivers on its promises. If you're someone who struggles with flat or lifeless hair, this could be a game changer. The high-end feel and quality of the formula definitely justify the investment. But if you're looking for something that offers deep hydration, you might want to look at alternatives as well. As for customer support, I haven't had any direct interaction with the brand yet, but dalla Palma is well regarded for its customer service, especially with their premium range of products. The brand's reputation for delivering high-performance beauty solutions makes me confident that if you had any issues, they would handle it professionally. Alternatives to consider. If you're looking for a similar product, but at a lower price point, there are some great options like OGX's Coconut Water Weightless Hydration Conditioner. It won't give you the same luxurious Italian experience, but it will hydrate your hair and keep it light without weighing it down. So, what's the final verdict? If you're in the market for a conditioner that provides hydration, high gloss shine, and volume without making your hair feel heavy or greasy, the dalla Palma Tutto Tono Volume Conditioner could be just what you need. It's a great option for anyone with fine to medium hair that tends to lose volume, especially if you want to maintain healthy-looking hair with that luxurious Italian touch. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this conditioner, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Don't forget to check out the link in the comments if you're itching to grab one for yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.